gonna board us, are they? They're just blowing.
They're just gonna blow us up, yeah. Let's see if I can get out.
Oh, there it goes.
Did the ship just die? Let's get a soft kill.
There we go.
I just
GG.
went, I'm just full dead suddenly.
Yeah, the ship's gone.
Just blew it up.
Ship's dead.
Sorry, I got out. If I can get over and shoot this.
You can hit the Perseus, that'd be hilarious.
I'll try. I don't know the speed of this sound. I think I can't get this equipment. I hit it.
Are they shooting at you?
Yep. No, fuck.
Oh, he's behind you. He's behind you.
Quick.
You better blow him. 100%.
Damn it.
He's right there.
Ah!
Trying to ram you.
Use the Idris's body as cover.
Fuck. Oh, fuck's sake, come on. Two shots left.